Welcome to Tips and Tricks for April 2024 this month. Moshe Toledo with TriMark Computer Systems will demonstrate how to capture signatures from counter sales using UnForm DocFlow.
Okay. So you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. So we doing a standard invoice for a customer. We go in the normal way and we create an invoice for however many items they need. Then right now I'm in a quote. I'm going to convert that into an order. Once it's in an order, I can go ahead and before I print it, I type the letters RVW for the customer to review.
Right.
So at that point, this same copy comes up both on my screen and on the iPad on the customer side. At that point, the customer can review his order. He could select to sign. He uses his finger to sign. He hits done, and he says finished. On our end, at that point, we could put up who was actually here. We type their name in, and we say finish. And as soon as I hit finish, it archives the invoice. At that point, I can just go ahead now and print the invoice.
Thank you, Moshe Toledo with TriMark Computer Systems. If you have suggestions or comments, please send them to Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm Tips and Tricks, thank you. We are looking forward to seeing you again next month.